So, para saan ba si reservation fee? Actually, marami na po tayong vlogs explaining yung payment term tsaka yung purpose ni RF. But to simplify, ito po yung kailangan nating isettle even before ka pa mag-start ng down payment. So, reservation fee is reservation fee, down payment is down payment, hindi sila parehas. And yung purpose po ni RF is to secure yung gusto mong unit under your name for a certain period of time. Meaning, during your reservation period, hindi po pwedeng i-offer ni developer yung nireserve mo na unit sa iba pang interested na buyers. Also, yun din po ang purpose or si RF ang ginagamit natin to lock in yung current price ng nireserve mo na unit. So for example, kunwari nag-reserve ka ng Calista unit worth 2.5 million. And then let's say a week after that, yung unit mo na 2.5 million naging 2.6 million na. So, hindi ka na po affected dun sa price increase na yun. Kasi nga, nireserve mo siya or nilock-in mo siya for 2.5 million lang. Iba-iba po ang RF natin per unit, pero lahat po ng RF natin deductible sa TCP or sa total contract price.